Ron, you gotta go.
Just leave, bro. Just leave,
You
bro.
gotta get you out of here.
down.
Calm down. Calm down, bro. Come on, man. Just gotta go, man.
You gotta leave.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, God! Oh, ah! Get over here!
Yeet!
Fire me! Fire me! I'll wreck everybody in here! I'm not finished yet! I'm not leaving till everybody gets his hands! Fire me! I'll show you!
Guys! Braun Strowman is coming! Braun Strowman is coming, he's headed this way!
Fire me! I'll show you fire me!